Built of steel in the Scottish yard of Ramage and Ferguson of Leith, the barkentine Mercator was launched in December 1931 and left for Ostend on April 7, 1932. She was designed by the Antarctic explorer Adrien de Gerlache and G.L. Watson and Company as a training ship for the Belgian merchant fleet and named after Gerardus Mercator, the famous Flemish cartographer. The cost of the sailing ship was 9 million Belgian francs. She was originally rigged as a topsail schooner of 770 tons gross, fitted with a Burmeister Anduin diesel engine of 500 horsepower, with measurements of 223 feet long, 35 feet wide and 17 feet draft, but was later re-rigged following a somewhat disastrous delivery trip when she arrived in Ostend, with her foremasts sprung, her rigging slack and water in the forepeak making her down by the head. Although blame was first attributed to the builders, a very experienced yard which among other sailing ships had built the 5-masted Kubenham, they were soon able to show that Mercator had been built exactly according to specifications. In June 1932 she sailed to Antwerp, but it was obvious that all was not well and she remained in a remote corner of the docks until February 1933 when she was drastically altered. Ballast was increased by 90 tons and the mainmast diameter reduced from 29 inches to 23 inches, thus reducing the weight by some 6 tons. Sail area was reduced from 18,000 to 14,600 square feet, with her rig changed to a barkentine. The foremast carries square sails while the mainmast and the mizzenmast carry gaff sails. Usually the Mercator carried 15 sails. With a fair wind she could easily make 13 knots. Mercator's real career started off in 1934 when the ship sailed from Pitcairn Island to the Marquis Islands and Honolulu for a Belgo-French scientific expedition. This was her 7th cruise and known to be a fairly remarkable one to those preceding World War II. At the end of this expedition, 2 of the famous Easter Island statues were donated by the Chilean government, one to France and one to Belgium, the colossal sculpture of Po Hakanananga, the god of tuna, currently kept at the Royal Museums of Art and History in Brussels. Both statues were transported back to Europe on board the Mercator. In 1936, the Mercator was done the honor to bring over to Belgium the mortal remains of the Flemish missionary and apostle of the lepers, Father Damien, who died on the Molokai Island in Hawaii in 1889. In February 1940, the Mercator sailed for the West Indies and South America, but was unable to get home due to the war, and remained in the Belgian Congo doing hydrographic work for a while until January 1943 when she was handed over to Great Britain, and stripped of her masts, she became a submarine depot ship at Freetown in Sierra Leone. Rusty and in poor shape, she was handed back to Belgium in 1948, and after a complete refit, partly paid for by Great Britain, she resumed her original role and made her first post-war cruise in 1951 with a total complement of 100. In 1951, Mercator returned to service as a training ship and completed 41 voyages, sailing almost all seas. After that she performed quite a few scientific missions. Besides that, she even competed in tall ships races, from Torbay to Lisbon in 1956, from Brest to Canary Islands in 1958, and won a place of honor in the Oslo-Ostend race in 1960. All these historic events of the ship would have been impossible without just 2 commanders she had from 1932 to 1960, Captain Arvand de Sandy, from 1932 till 1955, and Captain Arguez, from 1955 till 1960. In 1964, Mercator became a floating museum in Ostend, moored in front of the City Hall, and since 1996 has been given National Heritage status. On September 30th, 2016, Mercator was removed from her usual mooring and dry-docked for an extensive overhaul elsewhere in Ostend Harbor. She returned on March 29, 2017 to her usual berth and role as a museum ship.